Hello, here is the Xbox One S, and the problem is that my game disc got stuck inside and refused to eject by using the eject button. But there is no reason to panic, because there is one simple option to force it. Facing the console, here on the left behind the plastic case, there is an orange circle around the pinhole. Using a flashlight, we can see it. Finding that particular hole is pretty easy. It's the 7th hole from right to left and the 3rd hole from bottom. Now, once we know where that pinhole is, everything I need is a paper clip. And now I will push this paper clip inside that pinhole. That's it, here it is. I can simply grab it and pull it out. Yeah, everything is fine. Hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching.